Classical cryptography, in times of war. Enigma. Security. So far, we have discussed the fact that the Germans were sure that the Enigma was unbreakable, but we have also learned that the British cryptanalysts were nevertheless able to break it. Hence, we want to illustrate on this slide how the security of the Enigma can be evaluated. The key space of the Enigma seems absolutely huge at first. However, let's compare the number of possible keys with the number of a simple monoalphabetic substitution, where every plain text letter is substituted by exactly one of the 26 letters of the Latin alphabet. We see that this second method has 4,000 times more possible keys. Nevertheless, it is still less secure than the Enigma, and can more easily be broken. As a consequence, we can state that the key space does not necessarily determine the security of a method. Although the Allied forces were able to break the code several times, we have to keep in mind that they needed a lot of personnel and machines for this. There were 3 messages, encrypted by a 4-rotor Enigma, which could not be broken until the 2000s. Therefore, we can say that, even though the Enigma was broken in the end, it offered a high security and combined many good ideas and approaches for a secure encryption method. Please be aware, with a simple monoalphabetic substitution, the order of the plain text alphabet is not kept. The Caesar cipher is a special form of the monoalphabetic substitution where the order of the letters stays the same. Hence the key space of the Caesar cipher is significantly smaller than the one discussed here. If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.